Replacing your lead pipes is an easy and efficient process. Step 1. Inspection. First, we will inspect your home's service line to see if it is made of lead or galvanized steel. Visit leadfreewausau.com to schedule a free in-person inspection with an Equiflow specialist, or self-verify your line by uploading a photo and completing a quick questionnaire. An Equiflow specialist will confirm the material of your line and whether it is eligible for replacement under the program. Step 2. Service line replacement. Next, an Equiflow specialist will contact you to confirm the week that lines will be replaced on your block. On the day of replacement, a licensed plumber and crew will come to your home. They will dig up the part of the sidewalk above the curve stop valve and create a small space in your home where your service line enters, usually in your basement. During this time, we will turn off the water for a short period. A new copper line will be installed from your home to the city-owned service line at the curb, connecting your new lead-free service line. Step 3. Post-replacement and yard restoration. After replacing the line, the crew will backfill the sidewalk hole and replace the concrete in your basement, ensuring your home remains undisturbed. Within a few weeks, a restoration crew will restore any necessary landscaping and pour concrete on the sidewalk. You will receive a replacement kit, which includes a water filter certified for lead removal, a 6-month supply of replacement cartridges, and instructions on how to flush your pipes for the next 30 days. Step 4. Congratulations, you're all done. The replacement process takes an average of 4 to 8 hours. Afterward, you will have a new copper service line and protection from the dangers of lead.
It was something we had talked about that should be done, and now it's done and better all around for us. Everything has gone great. If it's available, I would have her done.